I love that I was recording a whole last video and it wasn't even recording. Today I'm gonna be showing you what I'm packing for Mexico, and I'm so excited. Gonna be there for about 3 days or 4, I don't know. But I'm gonna show you some of the things I'm gonna be packing just because, well, some of my clothes is at my parents', some of it's in laundry, but yeah, I'm just gonna show you what I have now because I have to get started. I'm gonna start by showing you these little acid wash trunks I'm gonna be wearing. I don't even know if I'm really gonna wear those. It's just kind of have options. But one of my outfits for one of the days is going to be this Astroworld shirt. I might have to borrow my sister's smaller one because I think it would look better with the outfit. But yeah, I'm gonna be wearing that with some cheetah print shorts. So random, I don't know. And then I have these army shorts just to have more options, you know. Meanwhile, my bag is huge. My bag is huge because I am packing everything I have. No, I'm just kidding. And then I have like these cute little, dude, I'm so sad that these turned pink in the wash, but fuck it. They still look great on my ass and my dick, so whatever. And then I got these jean shorts. Used to be my uncle's that I never met, but they're very vintage, very beat up, but they look great on my ass as well. And they cover my muffin top, which is dope. Probably gonna wear those one of the nights out at the club, just so people know I'm about it. I'm gonna come back with 6 baby mamas. And then next, I just have some like undershirts in here. I have my thought chonies. I have the Calvin Kleins in both black and white, because you gotta be versatile. Oh shit, I'm forgetting socks. I'm not really a wrestler or athletic, but I have like this, I think it's called the leotard or something. It's gonna make my body look snatched. I think someone just got murdered outside my window. Dope. And then I have like my Kesha shirt just to be comfy. And then I have like this cute little vintage t-shirt. I don't know, it'll go with something, I know it will. But yeah, a lot of this is just to have options. Like my real outfits are still in the laundry and my bag is already full. Oh, I don't know if I showed you too. I'm gonna be using this True Religion duffel bag. My ex says it retails for $1,700. My sister looked it up, it said $68. I don't know. But I also have this gold fanny pack that I'm gonna be wearing just because I hate carrying shit in my pockets, like chapstick, my wallet, my blunts, my poppers, my condoms, my taser. These super cool like slides that have the little buckles on them. And then these boys, I love these, they look great on my feet. I think they just look good because I'm tan, but yeah. I got these buy one get one free because I did self-checkout, so use my code at Walmart. And there's a few more things. I'm also gonna be wearing this nice dress up shirt, very classy. I'm also gonna be wearing this Maui hoodie, zip up hoodie. This one's gonna go with the red shorts that are like booty shorts. So I'm gonna wear this little Tokyo shirt, this little Tokyo moment, you know, just to be diverse in Mexico. I don't know. I'm also gonna bring my NASA sweater just in case it gets cold and you know, I don't want to freeze to death, so yeah. I'm also going to be wearing these little checkered shorts. I know it's kind of like boy basic, but it's also me, so. I also got these cute little earrings. I also got this watch. I have my other fancy ass gold watch that's huge, but I don't think I'm gonna wear that just cause, I don't know, I'm just kind of like paranoid. And then maybe some white Vans, I don't know. Yeah, there's some more my parents that I have to get still, but you know, I'll check in later when I'm actually in Mexico doing, you know, my outfit of the day or, you know, just vlogs. So I'm really excited. I hope you guys like this video. Stay tuned for more. Yeah, this is kind of like some of what I'm packing for Mexico. So I'll see you guys next time. Later.
Don't even touch me, fucked up in the club. I know you want me, a taste of my touch. My style is hot, I dance like a thought. Solid as a rock, lines off the clock. Mom and dad look away.